Hello, my name is Frank Blaze. I'm CEO of Igus. I'm here at the K, the world's largest plastics exhibition in Düsseldorf. At this exhibition, we start a recycle program for energy chains. We call it Change. Any energy chain, when it's at the end of its life, you can send back. There's a website, you can register. We will give you a voucher for new Igus products. The clue is, we take any end-of-life e-chain from any maker in the world. Call it drag chain, cable carrier, whatever. Igus chains last very often 9, 10, 15 years, but there is an end of life. And then we want to avoid that any plastic gets in the environment. We will guarantee an exact recycling, so any kind of plastic will be shredded and will be recycled with new products of its kind. Thank you very much for trying it. Let's make the world a little bit better together. Thank you.